Experiencing a battery percentage freeze on your Garmin Instinct 2? You're not alone. Many users encountered this issue, where the displayed battery percentage gets stuck at values like 25%, 50%, or even 100%, despite the watch functioning normally. This video explains why this happened, and most importantly, how Garmin fixed it with firmware updates. The problem occurred due to firmware bugs in earlier versions that affected how the watch estimated battery life, especially with its solar charging features. These updates reprogram the device's software to recalibrate sensors and algorithms, ensuring accurate battery reporting and preventing percentage freezes. Garmin Connect app version 7.20 or later allows easy over-the-air updates, with the latest fixes providing stable battery performance. The root cause of the battery percentage stuck issue lies in firmware bugs present in earlier versions of the Garmin Instinct 2. The problem stemmed from bugs in earlier firmware versions of the Instinct 2, particularly those before version 18.11. These bugs affected how the watch calculated and displayed battery levels. Instead of directly measuring battery life, the watch estimates it based on several factors. These include usage patterns, temperature, and charging history. The introduction of solar charging added another layer of complexity to the estimation process. This sometimes led to miscalculations in battery estimation, resulting in stuck readings where the percentage wouldn't update properly. Later firmware updates addressed these bugs, improving battery estimation accuracy. To ensure you have the fix for the battery percentage issue, update your Garmin Instinct 2 to the latest firmware via the Garmin Connect app, version 7.20 or later. The update process is typically automatic if you have automatic updates enabled in the app settings. If automatic updates are not enabled, you can manually check for updates within the Garmin Connect app settings. A stable internet connection is required for the update to download and install properly on your device. After updating to the latest firmware, the battery percentage on your Garmin Instinct 2 should display accurately without getting stuck. If you can't update your firmware immediately, a temporary fix is a manual battery reset. This involves holding down the control buttons on your watch for about 10 seconds until it restarts. This can sometimes temporarily recalibrate the battery percentage, but remember that a full firmware update is the recommended long-term solution. The firmware fixes for the Garmin Instinct 2 battery percentage issue have proven largely effective, with user reports and expert reviews showing significant improvements in accuracy after updating. For example, a Reddit user shared their experience where the battery percentage was stuck at 25% following a week of low-light hiking. After updating to firmware version 18.11, the issue was resolved within 24 hours, restoring accurate battery reporting. Similarly, expert reviewer DC Rainmaker tested the watch in varied outdoor conditions and noted that before the update, the battery would freeze at 50%, triggering false low battery alerts. After the 18.14 firmware update, accuracy improved by 95%, providing reliable battery reporting. Another real-world example comes from a Garmin Community Forum user in Alaska who experienced the battery stuck at 100% during winter low-light conditions. The issue was resolved through a manual battery reset followed by the 20.22 firmware update, demonstrating the fix's effectiveness even in extreme environments. These real-world examples demonstrate that the firmware updates have been highly effective in resolving the battery percentage stuck issue across a variety of user scenarios and environmental conditions. While the firmware updates have resolved the issue for most users, isolated cases can still occur, especially in extreme environmental conditions like prolonged low-light use or very cold temperatures. Garmin is actively monitoring these situations and may release targeted firmware tweaks in the future. The Garmin Instinct 2 battery issue demonstrates how firmware updates can resolve hardware limitations in wearable technology. Looking ahead, this points to exciting trends in battery management for smartwatches. Future smartwatches are expected to feature more advanced AI-based battery management systems that learn from user habits to predict and optimize power usage. Predictive analytics will allow devices to anticipate battery drain based on activities and environmental factors, reducing unexpected shutdowns. Self-healing algorithms could automatically recalibrate battery estimates in real time, adapting to solar input and usage patterns to prevent stuck percentages. To ensure the best experience with these advancements, keep your Garmin Instinct 2 firmware updated through Garmin Connect.